Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Tonik Virtual Debit Card. First of all, open the Tonik app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see your virtual debit card details including the card number, expiration date and CVV code. To make an online purchase, simply enter these card details and check out, just like you would with a physical debit card. If needed, you can copy the card number and CVV code directly from the app for quick entry. Your Tonic Virtual Debit Card works anywhere MasterCard is accepted online, and you can track all your transaction in the app under the transaction tab. Remember, for added security, you can freeze or unfreeze your virtual card anytime you with just one tap. And that's it. Using your Tonic virtual debit card is fast and secure. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips.